I caught this morning's minion, kingdom of daylight Lorcán, the bold on drunk falcon in his riding of the rolling level underneath him steady and striding. I dare I rung upon the rein of a wimpling wing in his ecstasy, then off a fortune swing. As a skate's heel sweeps smooth on the bow bend, the hurl and gliding, rebuffed the big wind, my heart in hiding stirred for a bird, the achieve on the mastery of the thing. Brute beauty and valour an act where pride plume near buckle, and the fire that breaks from deed in a billion times to lovelier, more dangerous. Oh, my chevalier, no wonder of it. Sheer plowed makes cloud down Cillian shine, and blue bleak embers, my dear, fall gold themselves and guide